Holy shit. So we got the Dirty Bird here, 68 Ford Falcon, is that right?
Yeah.
Tell me a little bit about the setup.
It's a small block Ford, 449 inch, twin Pro Mod 88 with a Rouser 2-speed.
Jesus.
And, it's a 4-lane car, back that car.
Nice.
Running Outlaw 275.
Yeah? About how much does this thing weigh?
It weighs 3250.
3250? Awesome. What's the quickest pass in the car so far?
466 with the old turbos. It's the second pass with these turbos, so we're just
Oh, really?
Yeah.
Awesome. Brand new setup?
Yep, brand new.
Oh yeah. About how much do you think this puts down?
We'll probably make 2,600.
Jesus Christ. Awesome. Very cool. What kind of suspension is this thing?
It's a Rick Jones 4-lane.
Okay. Very cool. You guys here from Dallas?
We're from Houston.
Oh, awesome.
Just came up to test and we knew the track would be prepped.
Yeah, they got this thing prepped well.
Yeah.
Hell yeah. That's awesome. It's a beautiful car. Thanks for bringing it out.
Thanks.
Thank you.
Four seventy with a 0.